Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Thanos from Squid Game. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off near the top and let's draw two angles for the eyebrows. And then thicken them up slightly. Now underneath, let's draw a curve for the tops of the eyes. And again, let's thicken this line up. And then angle it down at the ends. Now underneath, let's draw a large curve for the eyes. And now let's add an oval inside on the top left. And then to finish off the eyes, let's add a curve underneath. Now near the bottom, let's hop to the center and let's draw a small curve for the nose. And then a downward curve for the mouth. Now let's hop to the sides and let's draw the shape of the face. On both sides, let's draw a line down. And then angle it down to the center for the chin. Now that we have the shape of the face, let's move to the sides and let's draw the ears. Let's draw a curve out and back in on both sides. Now let's add a curve inside at the top. And then another one underneath. And that's it for the ears. Now let's hop up and let's draw the hair. Let's start on top on the right side and let's draw a curve down and back up. And then curve it down towards the ear. Now let's move back up and let's draw a curved piece over to the left. And then another one next to it. Now let's draw another one over and up. And then one more connecting it over to the left side. Now for the top of the hair, let's move up on the top right and let's draw a curve over to the right and back down. And then another one next to it. Now underneath, we're going to draw a small curve out and back in. And another one curving it upwards like this. And then curve it down towards the ear. Now let's hop back up to the top and let's draw a curved piece over and down. A smaller one next to it. And then a larger one out to the left. Now next to this piece at the bottom, let's draw a small curve out and back in. And then for the next piece, we're going to curve it up in the opposite direction and down. Now let's add another small piece under. And then one more curving it down like this. And then bring it down to the ear. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and let's draw the body. Let's start under the head and let's draw two curves down for the neck. Now underneath, let's draw a larger curve across. Now let's draw a set of angles down on the sides here and bring it down. and then a curve across to close off the collar. And now inside in the center, let's draw a line down. Now top to the sides, and let's draw an angle out on both sides for the shoulders. Then leave a gap, and let's draw lines down. And then bring it down again for the sides of the jacket. And then a curve across at the bottom. Now underneath on both sides, let's draw a small line down. And then another curve across. And add some striped lines inside. Now top inside the jacket, and let's continue the zipper by drawing a line down the center. And then on either side, let's draw another line down like this. Now let's add some more details to the jacket. Inside at the top, let's draw 2 angled curves. And then on both sides, let's draw a rectangle near the top. Now let's move inside the left rectangle, and let's draw a circle. And another one inside. And then in the right rectangle, let's draw the number 230. And that's it for the patches at the top. Next, let's move down, and let's draw the pockets. Let's draw an angled curve on both sides. Bring it out from the top and bottom. And then close it off to form a curved rectangle. And that's it for the torso. Now top out, and let's draw the arms. On the right side, let's continue the arm by bringing it down, angle it out and back in. And now let's bring it down again like this. Now for the bottom, let's curve it in and up. Now for the end of the sleeve, let's draw 2 lines down and a curve across. And add some striped lines inside. Now to add some details to the arm, let's draw 2 curves inside near the elbow. And now top up, and let's draw the stripe along the arm. Let's start at the top, and let's follow the same curve down as the outside, stopping here. And then bring it back out at the bottom. Next, at the end of the arm here, let's draw the hand. Let's start with a curve down and back up for the thumb. And then curve it out and back up to close off the hand. And then let's add 3 curves inside at the bottom for the fingers. And that's it for the right arm. Now let's hop over, and let's draw the left side. For this one, let's draw a small angle down from the shoulder. And then let's curve it in and out like this. And add another curve underneath. Now underneath, let's angle it out and up. And bring it up again. Now to draw the end of the sleeve, let's draw a curve across. Add 2 lines down underneath. and another curve. And then add some striped lines inside. Lastly, for the arm here, underneath the shoulder, let's draw another curve across for the stripe. Now let's draw the hand at the end. On top, let's draw 3 bumps for the fingers. And then on the outside, let's curve it up, over, and back around for the next finger. And then to add the thumb, let's draw an angle out and curve it back in. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's move down and let's draw the legs. Let's start with a long curve down on both sides. And then angle it out and back in. Now top inside, and let's draw a V-shaped curve near the top. And then angle it out underneath. And again, let's bring it out and in. And then a curve to close off the bottom of each pant leg. Now inside, let's draw the same curve along the sides for the stripes. Now top underneath, and let's draw 2 lines down underneath each leg and a curve across. And add some stripes inside. Now top underneath, and let's draw the shoes. We'll start with lines down in the center. Then let's angle it out from the outside. And then a large curve up and back down. And then a wavy line to close off the bottom of each shoe. Now inside, let's add one more angled line and lines across for the laces. Now underneath, let's draw the soles of the shoe. Let's draw a line down at the front and back, and the same wavy line across. And that's it for Thanos. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!